Now, what is a computer? Computers are everywhere. We use laptops, smartphones, smartwatches, TVs, and many other devices every day. But what is a computer? We all know the definition. Well, some. A computer is an electronic machine that works with information. It takes information, processes it, and gives us results. Computers understand information using only number 1 and 0. But with these two numbers, they can create pictures, video, games, websites, music, and much more. Computers have two main parts. Hardware. Hardware is anything you can touch. For example, right? Let me say this is the monitor for this laptop. I can touch it. Okay? And also, this is my mouse. It's also a hardware. I can touch it. And also we have softwares. Software is a program. It tells the computer what to do. Now, for example, web browser, Microsoft Word, media players. These are examples of software. Even games, the games you are playing on your phone is also a software. Now, let me put it this way, right? Hardware is the body, while software is the instructions. Now let's discuss about the types of computers. It's important for you to know this. Okay, you have to know around your computer before going into it. Let's talk about the types of personal computers. When people say computer, they usually mean a personal computer. There are two main types. Desktop computer, as the word implies, desktop. It stays on a desk. It has a separate monitor, keyboard, and a mouse. We also have laptop computers. Laptop computers, I would say they are portable. Portable means you can work with them, move with them, you can change your location, you can move wherever you want to go with them freely. They have screen, keyboard, and mouse, but these are built in. They also have batteries built in. Let's talk about the operating system. Now, an operating system controls the computer. Now, for example, we have Windows. Windows is used on many computers. We have also Mac OS. Mac operating system. It's used on Apple computers. Maybe you have one at home. We also have the Chrome OS. It's used on Chromebook. We also have Android, used on many phones. We also have the iOS, which is used on iPhones. The operating system is like the boss of the computer. You understand? So let's talk about other types of computers. Many devices have computers inside them, like the smart TV at your home or the smart TV in your home, game consoles, refrigerator, even washing machines. They have embedded computers. They are also servers. Now, what's a server? A server is a special computer that sends information to other computers. When you open a website, a server sends the web page to your computer. More especially when you search on YouTube, it's the work of a server to send you your request. Let's talk about the main part of a computer. One, we have the computer case. This is where the main parts are kept. It is where the computer does its thinking. Two, we have the monitor. The monitor shows picture and words. Most monitors are thin and flat. We also have the keyboard. The keyboard is used to type letters and numbers. We have the mouse. The mouse is used to move the pointer on the screen and click things. We have also touchpad. You can find it on laptops. It works like a mouse. You move your finger to control the pointer. We also have buttons and ports. Computers have buttons and ports. You can find them around at the corner of your computers for a laptop. We also have the power button. The power button turns the computer on or off. We also have USB ports. The USB port is used to connect devices. Devices like flash drives, printers, keyboards, even the mouse. Let's talk about the HDMI or display port. It's used to connect a monitor. The Ethernet port is used to connect internet with a cable. We also have audio jack. The audio jack is used for headphones or speakers. Let's talk about inside the computer. Inside every computer, there is a motherboard. The motherboard connects everything together. The CPU, which is the processor, this is the brain of the computer. It thinks and processes information. We also have RAM. This is a short-term memory. It helps the computer work fast. It clears when you turn off the computer. We also have the hard drive or SSD. This is a long-term memory. It stores your files even when the computer is off. We also have the power supply. This one gives electricity to the computer. Now, what is an app? The word application. The abbreviation is app. An app is a program that helps you do something. For example, Google Maps, Microsoft Word, even games that you play. Web browser, okay, it's also an application. Apps can be on phone, apps can be on tablets or computers. Some apps are for work, some are for fun. Now let's talk about the cloud. The cloud means saving files on the internet instead of your computer. Now, if your computer breaks, your files are still safe online. As like for me, all my files are safe. Example of cloud storage. We have Google Drive. We also have Dropbox. Well, I use Google Drive. Now let's talk about computer safety. Computer can get malware. Now, malware is bad software that can damage your computer, can steal your information. So, let's talk about to stay safe. To stay safe, you then install what we call the antivirus software. Do not click suspicious links. Keep your computer updated. We are going to learn all these inside this course. So just keep connected. Always back up your files. You can use an external hard drive to back up your files, or you can use the cloud to back up services. I often use the cloud to back up my work, my documents. We also have what we call the ergonomics, which means sitting safely. Sitting too long can hurt your body. Yeah. Keep your back straight but relaxed, as you can see. Keep your feet float on the floor. Keep your screen at eye level. Keep screen at arm's length. Take breaks every 20 minutes. I'm talking, this is when you are with your computer. Look at something far away for 20 seconds. When you are using your computer, don't constantly looking at your computer. This keeps your eyes and body healthy. Let's talk about cleaning your computer. Always turn off the computer first when you want to clean your computer. Now, for the keyboard, turn it upside down and shake gently. Use compressed air. As I use my, you understand. Talk about the screen. Use a soft cloth. Do not spray liquid directly on the screen. Don't do that. Let's talk about the mouse. Clean the sensor underneath. Keep your computer dust free so it works well. So now for the final message before I leave you. Computers are very important in our lives. They help us learn, help us work, help us communicate, even help us to play. When we understand how computers work, they are no longer confusing. A clean, safe, and well-used computer can help us succeed in school, can help us succeed in work, and also in life. This is the end of our class for today. See you on Wednesday.